What if I told you that you can create a full-on music video, lyrics, visuals, and editing using nothing but AI tools on your laptop or phone? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I used to make a complete AI-generated music video from scratch, generating striking images and scenes with AI, creating an original song with AI, and compiling it into a polished video on Capcut. But first, here is a quick look at the video we're about to build together. We are wild, every dream, every mile. We are thunder, we are light. They get the more we shine. We run our own storyline. Pretty cool, right? By the end of this video, you'll know how to do the exact same thing, even if you've never written a song or edited a video before. Let's dive in and start creating your first AI-powered music video. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to create our script, which that's our music script, and we're going to do this using AI. So we simply tell ChatGPT to create a song depending on what kind of song you want to do. So let me just say create lyrics to a song about women power and fierceness. So something like this, and then you prompt. So guys, just take a look at this. The title is Unstoppable Queens. It gave us the verses, the chorus, the verse, the bridge, the chorus, outro. So isn't this cool? Yeah. Okay, so this is nice. So now that we have the lyrics, we're just going to copy this. We'll copy probably verse by verse, and then we can then go on to our music generating platforms. So I'm just going to do some. Yeah, okay, so I think this is enough. So the platform we're going to use is called Suno AI. So all you need to do is to go to suno.com, log in with your email. And the amazing thing about this app is that you can use it for free. It has limits, but you can absolutely use it for free. So this is so good. So we're going to come to this option down here, this one in orange. We're going to click on it, and this is where you're going to put your lyrics or describe the kind of song you want and all that. So I'm just going to put lyrics, and then we're going to put the ones that we downloaded, that we got from what's it called, ChatGPT. So something like this. Okay, so now that we have the lyrics, then you can add your style that you want. So I'm going to pick Afrobeat. You can add persona, inspo, basically anything that you want to do, and then you click on create, and then in a couple of seconds or minutes it's going to generate the song for you. Guys, just take a look at this, just listen.
We are women, we are wild, every dream, every mile. We are thunder, we are light, born to rise.
Isn't this amazing? So no stress and you get music. So now that our music is complete, we're just going to go ahead and download. Click the 3 button, then click on download, and we're downloading as MP3. Need commercial, blah blah blah. So let's just put download anyway. So yeah, our file is downloaded. So now that we have our file, what we now need to do next is to create the scenes of the music. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT. So when we come back to ChatGPT, we are going to tell it to create prompts that we can use to create images depicting each scene. Or let me put each scene of the music lyrics, and then they should be realistic and attention grabbing, and then we're going to click. So guys, it's giving us the prompts, the opening scene, the transformation moment, breaking free, the first chorus. So I'm just going to do a couple. I'm not doing everything. I'm just going to do enough to show you guys how it would look or how to go about it. So we're just going to copy this. Yeah. Okay.
We're going to copy this, and then we're going to use our Gemini Nano Banana. So we're back on Gemini Nano Banana. This is where we're going to use to create our images. If you're not conversant with Nano Banana, you can find this on Google Gemini. Just log onto your Gemini account using your email, and then you click on the Nano Banana to create your images. So we're going to click this, and then I put all the links to the platforms I used. I put them in the description, so feel free to just go there directly, sign up, and then use them. So let's start creating our images. Guys, just take a look at this. This is so cute. So I'm just going to download this, and then after downloading this, I'm going to create other images. And then when we have all our images, I'm going to show you how to animate them and then make them sing using the dream face. Guys, just take a look at my images. This is beautiful. So now we're going to go ahead to go to dream face. We're going to use dream face for the animation, so we're just going to go ahead to come to dream face. Sorry, I was using it before, hence this. But we're back on dream face. When you first log on to Dreamface, you register with your account, you're going to open up to this page. If you want a more extensive tutorial about Dreamface, do check my profile. I have a couple of tutorials on there for you. So now that we are here, what we're going to first do is to turn our images into video. So we're going to click on this. So we're going to generate each of our avatars into images basically. So guys, you're going to click here, and then it will load up your gallery. Then you're going to pick the image. So let's start with the first image, and then you click on confirm. Once you do this, you're going to prompt it. The character is walking and singing, moving her hands as she sings. So basically this, and then we click on create, and then we allow it to create. So we're going to do this for all the 3 pictures that I did, and then I'm going to show you how you can make it sing. So guys, just take a look at this. I've done for all our images. So now we have our videos. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make them talk, and we're going to use the same dream face. So you're going to click on talk or sing avatar, and then you're going to select the one you want to use basically. So let's say I'm using this one for example, or let me use the first one. Then you confirm, then you click on want avatar to sing, click on import from files. Then the song that we downloaded from Suno AI, we are going to search for it, and then we're going to clip it. So you can see that it is long. Depending on what version of Dreamface you're using, you have limited space. So you can, and then you're going to have lots of scenes of the music, so you can start to cut them so each character has a part they're singing. So for example, this one now we can make her sing up to 1 minute. So I'm just going to set this and make sure it's on 1 minute. So let's see. Okay, so this is around 1 minute, and then I'll click on confirm, and then we allow it to load and work. Then let's click on animate. Guys, just take a look at this. Just listen to this. So this is amazing. I'm going to do for the whole 3 clips. I'm going to do this for the whole 3 clips, and then we're going to join them together on Capcut. So guys, next we come onto Capcut, we click on new project, and then we're going to add on all of the clips that we just created about the song, and then we add them on. So this is basically where you pick the outlay that you want, add any transition, change anything, add lyrics and all. So the first thing we're going to do is to add on transition, so like transitions from this frame to this. So you just click on this button here, the square one, and then it's going to load up different kind of transitions. Then you can pick which one you feel flows seamlessly. So as you can see, there are different types, but I think I like this flame one because I feel like it goes along with what we're doing, so you can see that. So we just do that for this, and then we do it for this frame and the next one. Yeah, so let's use the same thing. I feel it's okay. So that is done, and then after we're done doing that, another thing we can do is to add captions, just so people understand what the lyrics is all about. So you can come here, look for like a fancy template that you can use. This is my favorite, I won't lie. So let's just click on generate, and then we have a full video with the captions and everything. You can try to add other things, be creative with it. You can start to make just one person do the whole singing, add background people, just be creative with the whole video, and then you can use it to earn money on places like YouTube and TikTok. I've seen a lot even on Facebook, so all depends on you. So guys, just take a look at this.
We are miles, every dream, every mile. We are thunder, we are light, born to rise, born.
So guys, if you've learned anything, don't forget to subscribe because I drop stories like this every week. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.